Statement. I already common size income statement. I already told about you. Comparative income statement. If numerical based on common size statement of profit and loss found, how we can solve this? So assuming figure I am taking for you. Number one particular, I am taking revenue from operation. Revenue from operation in the last year I am taking 2011, 16 lakh, and current year assuming figure 20 lakh. Employees benefit expense 8 lakh, other expenses 2 lakh, then total expense 8 lakh plus 2 lakh 10 lakh, 16 lakh minus 10 is equal to 6 lakh. You know that it will be profit before tax. Current year 2012, revenue from operation 20 lakh, employee benefit expense 10 lakh, other expense 1 lakh, total expense in 2012 10 lakh plus 1 lakh is equal to 11 lakh. So 20 lakhs minus 11 lakh, you will get 9 lakhs. 9 lakhs, you know very well, this is your profit before tax. Now, what you will do new at the time of preparation of common size statement? You will calculate percentage for 2011 and for 2012. But the question is how? How you will calculate the percentage in the common size? The very simple. Suppose you want to calculate the percentage for 16 lakh. So for the calculation of percentage, you will use actual amount divide by net revenue from operation. Net revenue from operation means 16 lakh into 100. 16 you will get 100%. Then if you want to calculate the percentage for 8 lakh, 8 lakh divide by, again you will take net revenue from operation. Again this is 16 lakh. You will get 50%. Now you want to calculate the percentage for 2 lakh. So 2 lakh upon, again you will take amount of revenue from operation. You will get 12.50. 10. You want to calculate the percentage for this figure? 10 lakh divide by, again 16 lakh, you will get 62.50. Last you have 6 lakh. So 6 lakh divide by 16, you will get 37.50. In the same way, for the calculation of the percentage for 2012, 20 lakh upon 20 lakh. 20 lakh upon revenue from operation, because now you want to calculate the percentage for 2012. So obvious amount of revenue from operation you will take from 2012. It means 20 lakh. 20 lakh into 100, you will get 100%. For this, 10 divide by 20, 50. Again for 1 lakh divide by 20, you will get 5%. 11 lakh divide by 20, 55.5, and 9 lakh divide by 20, 45. It means always you will take the amount revenue from operation, but keep in your mind, if you want to calculate the percentage for last year, you will take amount revenue from operation from last year, and if you want to calculate the percentage for current year, you will divide amount revenue from operation from 2012.